June 13, 2008. Residents of Cedar Rapids, Iowa won't forget that day. After a wet spring and 2 straight weeks of rain in early June, the Cedar River crested to 31 feet, topping the river's previous high water mark by an astounding 11 feet. It was an 800-year flood, wreaking havoc on every aspect of life.
More than 10,000 residents fled their homes, while thousands more lost power. More than 10 square miles of the city flooded, damaging 900 businesses and 300 public buildings.
Flooding at the city's water pollution control facility sent sewage from homes and businesses directly into the river for nearly 2 weeks. It was the 6th largest FEMA declaration in U.S. history. The final toll, $5.4 billion.
The flood was a turning point for the Cedar Rapids community, an opportunity to do more than rebuild. The city and U.S. Army Corps of Engineers immediately began work on a flood risk reduction system designed to withstand 2008 water levels on both sides of a 4-mile stretch of the Cedar River.
The broader vision: protect the community from future flooding, spur economic development, and reimagine public space along the river. Solving an immediate problem became a long-term opportunity to enhance the community.
The city engaged an engineering team, including HDR, Stanley Consultants, and Anderson Bogert for the east side of the river, and another team on the west side. Collectively, they developed a Cedar River Flood Control System master plan to guide the city's vision. The plan has led to a long-term series of projects to protect the city from future floods while enhancing the riverfront.
Bundling projects into segments creates a phased system to protect different pockets of the community. The downtown area that's home to public buildings and local businesses, industrial areas and railroad lines that are critical to the regional economy, and neighborhoods like the growing Czech Village in New Bohemia, with the city's rich cultural history as part of a vibrant new development.
As one example, the North Industrial Reach and Cedar Lake area set up the rest of the system for success by closing off and protecting the upstream portion of the river with levees and flood walls, a pump station, a raised bridge, and a new floodgate across a railroad yard.
The improvements will protect properties of some of the city's largest industrial employers, the railroads, and small businesses, while also creating new amenities.
Similar projects along each segment of the river showcase design ingenuity. Flood walls present opportunities for a modern river walk.
A robust trail system atop levees offers new vistas. Environmental improvements to drainage channels and Cedar Lake expand capacity while creating new fishing destinations.
Inviting gateways define neighborhoods while hiding roller floodgates. Green space and public plazas disguise flood control elements with aesthetic improvements, including a public amphitheater that provides a signature concert and event venue.
To date, the new system has removed more than 1,400 properties from the flood zone, with additional projects planned to protect more homes, businesses, and public buildings.
The new flood control system is preserving the community's way of life,
driving economic growth and creating a new riverfront space for residents.
The work is about more than building flood protection. It's about building a community for generations to come.